How to turn on location on Instagram map. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can turn on location on Instagram map. For that, first of all, you want to launch open your settings. Now tap apps. Now a list of all the applications will be shown over here. You simply want to scroll down and find Instagram. Go ahead and select that. Now you want to find the option of permission. Select that. Now find location. Make sure that you have set that to allow. Once that is done, launch open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now you want to scroll down and find the option of story and location. Then select location sharing. Now here you can decide with whom you want to share your location. You can select friends, you can select close friends, you can select only these friends, or you can select no one. Now I'm going to select close friends. Then tap on share location. Now your location will be easily visible to your close friends. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.